This event is for the business and marketing students. It is a youth entrepreneurship expo, and this event is consisting of various small businesses from our community. And this was actually the vision of a community member, and this community member is also a parent from our school district. The children are going through various sessions. The first one was with our sponsor, who is Citizens National Bank, and they learned about credit, the importance of it, the significance of debt. They learned about FICO scores, and also how to open your own business.
And it's real nice that the district is really just sponsoring this for us to just expose us to more opportunities that we might not see in everyday life.
Students also had the chance to experience hands-on workshops from local small business owners and gather information from Meridian Community College's entrepreneurship, truck driving, science, and media production programs.